we're gonna be putting some grass clippings down around this corn. You know, corn is a heavy feeder, and I'm trying to do away with using a lot of. I don't want to use synthetic fertilizer in my garden, so I'm using just where I mow my yard some grass clippings. You know, it's high in nitrogen, and corn are heavy feeders, so that's what I'm using. Right now I'm just putting it on the larger corn. I think I got corn over here they succession planted. Look at that. Yeah, that's what I'm doing. I'm here trying to get this corn done. Yeah, I'm gonna put some around this. A few weeds coming up in here. You know, you got Bermuda grass, you got weeds everywhere. Still waiting on that turmeric and ginger to show up. Still haven't showed up yet. Got some melon seeds planted. Hashtag watermelon wars. But I haven't got them in my new melon bed that I just created. This is gonna be the new melon row where I'm gonna add my melons. You see, I done put a lot of stuff in that soil already. Not gonna really tell what it is, but you can see it's gonna be some good soil just from. See them mushrooms coming up. Ooh, 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 ooh. Hashtag watermelon war. Y'all in trouble. We ain't playing no games this year. Let's get it. Hope y'all can see that good and clear. You can see them blueberries are starting to turn. Yes, sir. Got a few I can pick today. Yeah. They coming in. Slowly but surely. That's all I'm saying. Soon and very soon. Mixed berry jam is on the way. You see here, this cabbage is looking good. I did add some fish heads off into this soil when I redid it. So yeah, they're looking good. And over here, peppers, not looking good as the cabbage, but they're coming along. Rosemary, got a few carrots back there. Marigolds. Peppers is a slow grower. We've been getting a lot of rain and stuff. A lot of rain, so yeah. And here's some of the figs that are in the greenhouse, growing like weeds. Consider that group died back to the ground, even though they're inside the greenhouse. Still growing like weeds, coming along, looking nicely. Over here, she is beautiful and showing out. That is that Myers lemon. Look at. Zoom in a little bit. All of the lemons she have on her. Yes, sir. We'll come over here. We got that Barbados cherry just doing her thing. Booming like crazy. Setting some Barbados cherries. Looking great. And beside her, that Mexican cream guava. Looking delicious. We got a lot of new roots on there. Oh, I know my brother Broke said he wanted one, so I might have to airlet him one. That's what we do. That's that Moore's Blood Orange that I got in Savannah, Georgia. Looking great. See, the cute there is finally coming up. Finally trying to hit that green line now. Eventually I'll be up on this trellis, this bamboo trellis. Hopefully we'll be getting a lot of cutes. Got a Boston pickling cukes, and we got muncho cukes. It has some beta alphas, but all of them bit the dust when we was in Savannah, Georgia, when they got that cold snap. Big comfort down there. I don't know where it come from. Must came out of compost. Yeah. Potatoes still looking good. Few have flowered, not all. Still looking pretty good. So I'm not gonna. I think they're still growing. You can see sweet potatoes are finally coming back up. Got to get in there and add some more soil and add some wood chips and clean out all that tomato grass. Yeah, non-stop. Yesterday we got a bird tangled up in our bird netting over there. I was able to get him out. The fella flew away. See, them cicadas are still around. Look. There you go. Right there. That's it. Next month, June bugs will be coming in, so I'm gonna get you some tool or some insect netting, especially to cover your cherry trees. They get out of there. Your cherry trees, your Nat-King cherry, and your grapevine. So that's what they seem to go after on my side, and my raspberries. So I'll be getting that tool up around those pretty soon before they get in here. Being the caregiver of my garden, always thinking ahead. Always thinking ahead. Other figs over there that I planted this year, looking pretty good. These figs are really growing like crazy. Like I said, all this rain has helped them a lot. And all the new compost. I fed these the fall. Put compost down, more wood chips. And add a little bone meal and blood meal. And I've recovered it with some more pine straw, so, well, pine shaving, so they're off to a good start. About to get in there, thin some of them shoots out, use a lot. I might air lay a few. I know, I don't think Led has a LSU purple, so I'm gonna air lay him a LSU purple, or get him a cutting one and root it and send that to him. Because I appreciate everything he does. Great man, great man. Yeah, I got some more melons coming up here. Finna put in the melon bed. Hashtag watermelon wars. Not telling you the variety. I know a couple of varieties I'm growing is Congo and Jubilee. That's just a couple. Found a lot of new varieties this year. And been doing a lot of preparing for this upcoming war. What it is it good for? Absolutely. Say it again. Yes, sir. War. Hashtag watermelon war. That's what we're into. But yeah, things are looking pretty good around here. Tomato plants are starting to come along. Setting some tomatoes on some of them. Yeah, setting plant some tomatoes on some of them. Basil taking a lot of water damage, just like these peppers. But you can expect in the last 3 weeks, all we got is pretty much rain. Rain. Let's go over and pick some of these blueberries. While I got y'all here, the few that's right, so I can get a better shot. Sure. Check all these bushes. Some of these weeds. All these weeds around my plant. Get away from my baby. Take some of these. A handful. Enough to enjoy this morning. Yeah. As far as everything else, you can see the grapes are starting to progress into their second form. This is the Concord, blue Concord. Niagara don't know how to quit. I'm gonna have to get in here and thin a lot of these out. You can see how much it is. And it's just, she is totally a beast. Little Carlos muscadine. This blackberry got totally overwhelmed by all that water. Still setting some berries. Expecting more for the other one on the other side though. It's actually doing a lot better. These little shoots, like when you see like here growing off the trunk of any of your trees, well, this is a grapevine actually. Pull it off. It ain't doing no sucking energy. You can actually root that if you wanted to. And the figs are coming up here looking great. Texas everbearing. Update, she is coming back. I thought she was dead. She is not. She is coming back from there. So that's why this wood is here. Building the box here to protect my Texas everbearing over the winter, because for some reason something always digs around it over the winter. Killed one, thought he killed this one. Glad she's coming back. See the Violet de Bordeaux, she's down here. She's looking great. It's got to get in here and get a lot of this off. So we'll have some rooted fig cuttings pretty soon. I had a bunch. They all got flooded out. Drowned it, pushed all the soil, touched off, and it killed them. Pretty much killed them. I also have a lot of Musu Baijus, Japanese fire banana, and a few Carolina Kings. New greenhouse going up, so I'm hoping by next year I have a lot of stuff that I can sell and open up my nursery and offer to my members for a very discounted prices, of course. Well, once again, thank y'all for tuning in. It's Odom's Homestead down here in Growing Zone 7B, Tennessee. Growing's my passion, and it's also my fifth entry in Watermelon Award. Y'all, we coming for you. Y'all stay blessed. Odom's Homestead. Growing's my passion.